Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show how to operate a course coordinator portal from Samarth for Maulana Azad National Urdu University. First of all, open a browser and enter a URL for the university. Here the Samarth URL for the university is manu.samarth.ac.in and click. The login page will open. Enter a username and password. If you don't know the username and password, you may have gotten an email regarding the username and password like this from one of the other national university. You have a new Samarth account and your username is this, your employee code, your email is this. For password, when you need to click on a sign in to reset a password. When you click on sign in, the page will open for first time login. If you have already done this process, then you need to open a main URL manu.samarth.ac.in and login. You have to log in. For the first time user, you need to enter a username as your employee code that you have got on email and enter captcha and request verification code. When you click on request verification code, you will get the verification code on a same email. You need to enter a verification code and set your password and go to the and need to set your password. After setting your password, open a main login page manu.samarth.ac.in and then enter your username and your password and enter captcha enter a login. The dashboard will open after clicking login button. This is the dashboard for your employee portal from where you can access employee services and university services. So see on top right corner on top side below your employee code is one small logo, person logo. Click on that logo. When you click on that logo, a menu bar will open. Click on a switch account. After clicking on switch account, the switch account dashboard will display here. Here all the account linked to your employee portal will display here. This is your current login account. This is your course coordinator account. Click on a switch button. The course coordinator account will open here and click on this academic menu on proceed button. Click on a program. Here program table will open and program assigned to you will be displayed here. Here I have gotten a BAPP program. BAPP is a short code and long name is Bachelor of Art. Full form is Bachelor of Art. Click on short code BAPP. The course detail will be displayed here. Then click on semester 2. Then click on a batches and section. Launch it. Here section of Bachelor of Course for second semester will display here. Here from section you can understand 24 is stand for the admission year, SEC stand for section, BAPP stand for Bachelor of Art, this is short code. 02 is nothing but the second semester and HY is a campus. This is second semester BA program class for 24 batch of a Hyderabad campus. Then click on a I button and click on a view student. The student table will display here. All the students will listed here from second semester of BA Hyderabad campus 424 batch. Those students who have submitted their course registration from their student portal, their selected courses will display course register column. Here you can see the first student have submitted his or her courses. If you feel that the courses are wrong, you can change it by clicking on course selection button. You will see the student detail, and on downside you will see all the courses selected by the student. For changing the courses, you need to click on a change status. After clicking a status, a pop-up will open. Select a new application and submit it. Once you submitted it, the student can able to submit, or the student can able to update his or her courses from their student portal and can resubmit again. If student did not do this process on behalf of him or her, you can do this process from your end on this portal. Simply go back to the main student table and select on same course selection screen, same course selection button. After clicking on, you will get your course selected screen. These are the courses selected by the student previously, and you feel that these are the wrong and you need to change, then simply click on a update course selection button. Update it. After clicking, the screen will come. From here you can select correct courses, and those programs which have compulsory courses need not to be selected. Those already selected for the student. In case of BA, student need to be selected their respective courses. After selection and submit it. This is not final submit. For final submission, you need to click on a green button, submit course selection. You submit it. Please check your course selection. After submission, no change will be allowed. This message is for the student, not for the course coordinator. Okay. When you click on OK, the course is submitted successfully on behalf of student. This is a simple process. That's it. So you can switch back to your main employee account by clicking on switch account and by clicking on your employee switch button. Thank you for watching.